Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw a step-by-step bear with a hat, a birthday hat. Okay, let me explain you why I'm drawing this animal. The reason why is someone comment below in the box comment 2 emoji and the name of that person is Pompon TV. Gonna be appear here in the screen. Okay, now I'm gonna make this drawing step by step, so let's start. Step number 1, sketch. For the sketch, I always use shapes. Why? Shapes help me to understand the composition of the drawing. Don't matter what you try to drawing, you have to use shapes to make your life easier. Step number 2. When you are happy with the sketch, it's time to clean the lines. For clean the lines, you can use whatever eraser that you have. In my case, I use this that look like a slime. If you know the name of that, comment below. Step number 3, the inking part. For the ink, I use Pigma Micron. They are a nice pen. Let me teach you a trick for the ink. When you realize the direction of the line, try to make that line not too hard, just a light line. And when you finish with the first line, add a second line. Drawing gonna be better with a second line. You can notice the difference right now. Step number 4, coloring. For the coloring, I'm gonna use Ohuhu markers, because Ohuhu markers are cheap and nice. That is weird. For that reason, I always use Ohuhu markers. For me, Ohuhu marker is like the copy version for me, I guess. Okay, for the drawing, I use 3 tones. The base, that's gonna be the number 1. The number 2 is the middle tone, and the 3 is the shadow. Now you know the direction of the light. In this case, the light comes from the right side and the shadow is in the left side. First, I apply the first tone, lay the second tone, and next the shadow. The next step is add some light. Yes, for that reason I'm gonna use this paint. If you don't have this neutral paint, you can use just white paint. And guys, we have a nice kawaii bear step-by-step drawing with an easy way. Now if you wanna that I'm drawing your idea, just go below to the comment and write 2 emoji, and I'm gonna select one, and the next video gonna be maybe your idea. So let's start, and don't forget to subscribe to this amazing channel. See you next time. Bye bye, and keep clean your hands.